Hello, my name is Nancy Gupta and I am pursuing my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from VIT Bhopal with a CGPA of 8.5. I am applying for the backend developer role at HitWicket, where I want to design and optimize systems that power large-scale, high-performance gaming experiences. My technical foundation is rooted in the MERN stack with advanced proficiency in Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, and PostgreSQL. I focus on system design, RESTful API architecture, and database optimization, ensuring scalability, reliability, and low latency. I am also experienced with Docker, Prisma, AWS, Supabase, and Render, and maintaining strong development discipline with Git version controls and also clean API documentation. During my software development engineer internship at Bluestock Fintech, I worked on the production level IPO management platform, serving over 1,000 plus users. I built a React.js and Node.js based admin dashboard that reduced data entry errors by 30% and automated compliance workflows through secure modular backend design. Across my projects, I have built systems that balance performance, reliability, and clean architecture. So first is Collab Campus, Campus Connect, a full stack social platform connecting 5,000 plus users with real-time chat and connection modules. I optimize MongoDB queries, indexing, and REST APIs to handle high concurrency and integrated a job scraping and NLP engine that processes thousands of listings weekly, improving data processing and platform responsiveness. And second is Fresh Track, predictive food waste and risk analytics platform, architected a backend tracking 3,000 plus perishable products daily using NLP pipelines and predictive modeling to calculate the spoilage risk. It provides real-time expiry dates and role-based access control, secured access, leading to 40% reduction in overall wastage across multiple stores. And another project is TravelSync, smart carpooling platform built with Next.js, Prisma, and PostgreSQL. This system connects commuters based on route, time, and gender preferences. I implemented transaction-safe matching algorithms, ensuring data integrity and low latency performance at scale. Now another project is Nagar Sathi, uh, powering civil tech for every ward. Developed a citywide QR-enabled complaint management platform with role-based dashboard and two-factor authentication security, Google OAuth, and automated ward-wise report generation. This this improves civic transparency and data accountability. Beyond my projects, I have also been recognized for innovation and technical excellence. In the Providence Leap Ideathon, I was recognized as next gen thinker for developing a SMS and voice enabled healthcare app solution that expanded accessibility 3 times and provides medical record accuracy. To strengthen my backend expertise, I have earned certifications at OCI certified Gen AI professional and OCI certified data science professional, and also completed the foundation of MERN stack certification from Simply Learn, which validates my hands-on skills in full stack application development. I am excited about joining HitWicket because I want to apply my backend engineering skills to build real-time low latency systems that scale globally and elevate the player's experience. Thank you for your time. I look forward to contributing to HitWicket's mission of building the world's most engaging cricket strategy game.